Modern factories produce millions of chicken nuggets every single day.
Production lines run continuously to meet global demand.
Standard production uses 4 distinct shapes. The process begins with fresh cuts of chicken meat. Shaker tables distribute the meat evenly for inspection. Workers perform an initial quality check.
Now, the fusion, welding the new floor into the old skeleton. It's violent, it's hot, and it has to be perfect.
Scanners ensure the raw material is free of foreign objects.
A welder is only as good as his grinder. We smooth the seams until the transition from
The inspected meat moves to the grinding station. A large auger pushes the meat toward the blades. The meat is ground to a specific coarse texture. Consistency is key for the final product. Chicken skin is often processed separately to act as a natural binder.
Automated lifts transport the ground meat to the mixing tanks.
A precise blend of seasoning is prepared. The seasoning is added directly to the batch. Large paddles fold the seasoning into the meat. Mixing continues until the texture is completely uniform. The mixture is kept very cold to maintain structure.
Pumps transfer the mixture to the forming machine.
This plate determines the final shape of the nugget. High pressure fills each cavity instantly. A knockout bar pushes the formed nuggets onto the belt. The result is hundreds of identical pieces per minute. The final layer is a coat of breadcrumbs. First, a light layer of flour is applied. This helps the batter stick to the meat. Liquid batter is prepared in a nearby tank. They pass through a continuous curtain of wet batter. The belt ensures the bottom is also fully coated. Air knives remove any excess liquid.
Speed is the most critical factor in this process.
Some recipes use a tempura batter instead of crumbs.
The nuggets enter a large industrial fryer. They are flash fried for about 30 seconds.
This sets the crust but leaves the meat raw inside. They emerge with a fixed shape and color.
Excess oil is drained away immediately. Optical sensors check for color consistency.
Some varieties are fully cooked in a massive oven. The product must cool down before freezing. They enter the spiral freezer for rapid cooling. The spiral design saves floor space. Flash freezing locks in moisture instantly. They emerge frozen solid and ready for packing.
A computer distributes nuggets into weighing buckets.
The machine drops the exact weight into each bag.
Heat jaws seal the package instantly. The bags slide down to the boxing station.
Robotic arms handle the final boxing.
Boxes are taped and labeled automatically.
Pallets are stacked high for efficient shipping. Plastic wrap secures the stack. Forklifts move the product to cold storage. Every night, the entire line is sanitized.
The cycle repeats continuously.
These factories operate in almost every country. Logistics are as important as production.
Efficiency starts at the loading dock.
Ice is often added to keep the meat cold during friction.
Vacuum mixers remove air bubbles for a dense texture. The mixture travels through overhead pipes to the forming lines. Multiple formers run in parallel.
The batter thickness is monitored constantly.
Wire belts allow excess coating to fall through.
Unused batter is recycled continuously. Hoppers are refilled with fresh breadcrumbs.
Complete submersion ensures an even crust.
Rollers press the crumbs firmly into the batter. Powerful vents manage the heat and steam. Oil is continuously filtered and circulated. Safety systems monitor the fryer temperature. The transfer points are designed to prevent breakage. Guides align the product for the freezer. Ammonia refrigeration systems create intense cold. Belts are washed continuously to prevent ice buildup. Some nuggets are packed in bulk for restaurants. Retail packs require different machinery.
Nitrogen is added to displace oxygen and extend shelf life.
The system automatically dispenses empty pallets. Robots stack boxes in a specific pattern for stability. High-speed doors minimize temperature loss. Skilled drivers move the finished pallets. Warehouses can hold thousands of pallets.
Sanitation is a critical part of the daily cycle.
Surfaces are tested for bacteria regularly.
Supplies like flour and oil arrive constantly. Massive tanks store the cooking oil.
The entire plant is monitored from a central control room.
Data helps optimize the speed and yield. Hygiene protocols are strict for every employee. Hands must be washed before entering the floor. Boot scrubbers clean footwear automatically. Samples from every batch are kept for reference. It is one of the most popular fast foods in the world.
The final product is crispy and golden.
They are shipped to restaurants and grocery stores globally. Millions of portions are served daily, taught to precision shaping. From raw meat grinding and industrial frying. The process is a masterpiece of efficiency. This is how modern factories produced food at scale.